Cut boneless chicken in cubes. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt to taste. Add vinegar. Add black pepper. Mix and set aside for 30 minutes. For coating batter, add corn flour. Add white flour. A little chicken powder. Red pepper to taste. Mix. Pour the batter on the marinated chicken and coat well. Fry in a medium hot oil until golden crispy. For sauce, sriracha, tomato ketchup, chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, add a and pinch chili of sugar, sauce, black pepper, and red peppercorns. And lastly, cook for 2 minutes. Sprinkle sesame seeds and enjoy. Yum!